Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today we're going to be checking out my Things 3 2022 setup. So I've tried a ton of third-party apps out there in the App Store that you can go and download, of course, for free or paid for your iPhone. But I always come back to my Things 3 because I don't know why, it just works for me, and I just gotten so used to it that I guess it's just meant to be. And I always use just Things 3 for a lot of my stuff in my daily life. So let's check out my setup and everything and how I use Things 3. So first off, of course, I use Things 3 to write down quickly ideas. So if I need to be reminded about things of before I forget. So if I have a YouTube video idea, so I'll add that to my YouTube video idea list that I have on Things 3. So it just makes it really nice and simple, of course, to just quickly access Things 3 and just quickly jot down whatever idea I have before I forget it, so that I know I can make that video idea whenever I'm feeling down or something, or I just feel like a slump. Then I could go back to my Things 3 YouTube video idea list and just see what type of videos I can make for that day or for the following video, so that I'm ready to have a new video to be uploaded. So one of the big ways I use Things 3, of course, is I set up what Things 3 calls areas. So areas are pretty much sections, and in these areas I have them separated in topics of what I need it to be in. So like I just mentioned earlier, I have a YouTube video idea area, and then I also have maybe a Skillshare area classes that I want to create. I have for business, TikTok video ideas, Instagram video ideas. So I have all these different sections nicely organized so that I know and I don't get confused of what section each one belongs in, and that I'm always organized and I don't mix it up for video ideas whenever it comes to maybe uploading on my main channel right here or uploading on my second channel as well. So I just have it nicely sectioned off so that I remember and keep everything nicely organized and separate so that I don't get them confused, and it just keeps me much more easily organized as well, so that I know what videos to make also and what videos not to make for this channel as well, so that I don't get confused. So one of my favorite features in Things 3 is the Logbook area. So I love going onto the Logbook area just because it makes it so much more, you get to see all your history of all the things that you have completed, all your tasks from the past. So it's really cool just to go back and see all the things that you've completed, and it just makes you feel good. It makes you feel validated that you actually did something and you actually completed a ton of tasks, maybe throughout the week, throughout the day, or throughout the month. It's just a really great way just to look back and just see everything that you have completed throughout the day, so that you just remember to yourself that, hey, you did a lot on Things 3, and you actually did a lot in real life as well. And Things 3, of course, just makes it really easy, of course, to just keep control and keep organized of all your to-dos that you need to get done. And it's just always fun to go back into a logbook and see all your past to-dos and see how much you actually have done. So it just makes you feel really cool, and it's just a great way just to see, and like I said, it's just to go see and enjoy that you have done a lot, and so that you're not pushing yourself too much, and you just remember that, hey, you did do a lot this week or this month as well. So another of my favorite things, of course, that always brings me back to Things 3 is the Things 3 cloud. So this is a special kind of like iCloud but for Things 3. So if you have the Mac version, the iPad version, and the iPhone version, which is all separate, of course, they're not all the same purchase, then you can actually just be able to see everything that you wrote down on the iPhone version. You'll be able to see it on the Mac version as well, which is really cool, of course, just to keep everything nicely organized, and so that you can continue writing your script as well, or continue writing your to-do list from the Mac or on the iPhone, or if you're on the go, of course, then you could come back and continue it on the Mac as well. So that's one of the big things that I really enjoy about Things 3, and I think that's what brings me back as well. It's just how well it works when it comes with the Apple ecosystem, of course, since Things 3 is only available in the Apple ecosystem, and it just works fantastically. So that's pretty much it on why I really enjoy using Things 3, is because of how simple it is, of course, but also how powerful it is. Like, there's a ton of powerful features inside Things 3, like you could now do Markdown, which is something I don't use for Things 3, but other people might find it useful to use Markdown on Things 3, so it's available right there as well. So it's just a ton of great features, and it's just a simplicity and easy to use and the cool animations, and of course the latest updates that the developers are always giving Things 3 not only on the iPhone version but also on the Mac and iPad version as well. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoy these type of videos, it'd be really cool if you guys will hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, because not only does it help the channel as well in the video, but it can also help you feel like you can keep up to date with the latest videos on this channel. So other than that, I will see you guys later. Peace.